It's 17th of May. Review text and context. The title is Can parties be derecognized or deregistered? Can political parties be derecognized or deregistered? Does the Election Commission have the power to derecognize a political party for violation of MCC, that is, Model Code of Conduct? The Election Commission of India, in its report on enforcement of Model Code of Conduct, has stated that it expects star campaigners to lead by example and not vitiate the fabric of society. This has raised a debate about ECI powers to rein in MCC violations. What are registered parties? Section 29A of the Representation of the People Act 1951 lays down the requirements for registration of a political party with the ECI. Any political party that seeks registration should submit a copy of its memorandum or constitution. Such document should declare that the party shall bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India. Such document should declare that the party shall bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India. It should also bear allegiance to the principles of socialism, secularism, and democracy, and uphold the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India. Registered political parties enjoy the following legal benefits. First, tax exemption for donations received under Section 13A of the Income Tax Act. B. Second, common symbol for contesting general elections to the Lok Sabha or state assemblies. And third, 20 star campaigners during election campaign. As per the ECI, there are 2,790 active registered political parties in India. What are recognized parties? A registered party is referred to as a registered party is referred to as a registered unrecognized political party, RUPP. Political parties are recognized as a national or state party under the provisions of the Election Symbols Order 1968. The criteria for recognition at the national or state level consists of winning requisite number of seats and obtaining required percentage of votes in a general election to Lok Sabha or state assembly. At present, there are 6 national parties and 61 state parties that have been recognized. These recognized parties enjoy additional concessions of having a reserved symbol during elections and 40 star campaigners. What are the issues? It has been noticed that less than a third of RUPPs contest elections. It has been noticed that the less than a third of registered unrecognized political parties contest elections. The RP Act does not confer explicit powers on the ECI to deregister any political party if it fails to contest elections, conduct inner party elections, or lodge requisite returns. The Supreme Court in Indian National Congress versus Institute of Social Welfare and others 2002 had held that the ECI does not have power to deregister any political party under the RP Act. It may deregister only under exceptional circumstances like registration being obtained by fraud or the political party ceasing to have allegiance to the constitution or if it is declared unlawful by the government. The RUPPs that don't contest elections raise concerns over the possible misuse of income tax exemption and donations collected being used for money laundering. The MCC prohibits using caste and communal feelings to secure votes and bribing or intimidation of voters. Recognized political parties are guilty of violating the MCC on various occasions. However, it has been observed that the ECI on such occasions at best bars leaders from campaigning for a short period of 2 to 3 days. What needs to be done? The ECI, in its Memorandum for Electoral Reforms 2016, has suggested amendment to the law that would empower the ECI to deregister a party. The Law Commission, in its 255th report 2015 on electoral reforms, has also recommended amendments for deregistration of a political party if it fails to contest elections for 10 consecutive years. These recommendations should be implemented. Under paragraph 16A of the Symbols Order, the ECI has the power to suspend or withdraw recognition of a recognized political party for its failure to observe MCC or follow lawful directions of the Commission. It has probably been used only once for 3 weeks in 2015. It has been probably used only once for just 3 weeks in 2015 when the recognition of the National People's Party was suspended for failure to follow the directions of the ECI. Strict action under this provision would have a salutary effect. Strict action under this provision would have a salutary effect in ensuring adherence to the MCC.